Hi guys, it's Corel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with a Walmart fall haul, everybody's favorite. I have so many amazing items to share with you guys from Eloquent Elements, Free Assembly, Time and True, Madden NYC, and so many more amazing brands that Walmart is carrying. If you want to see what I got, please continue to watch. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and follow me on all my social media. I'll also have everything linked down in the description box, including this sweater that I'm wearing today that's from Walmart. First up are these no boundaries over the knee boots, and I'm wearing a size 8.5 and the price is $24.98. This is also available in black, but I have it here in taupe, and I'm so happy I found these at such an amazing price point for you guys, because I know how hard it is for us girls to find over the knee boots that have wide calf. This does not say wide calf on Walmart website, but it's super stretchy guys, and it fits over my calf, so I had to share it with you guys. It has a very soft suede material, an inner zipper, and it does have a memory foam insole. The heels on these are very flat. It is a flat over the knee boots, and I highly recommend you guys grab this before it's sold out. Next up are these scoop platform heels, and I'm wearing a size 9 and the price is $40. This is also available in gold, but I had to pick it up in black because I love a classic black heels for the fall time. It's a open toe soft suede material, and I love the platform bed on this heels. This is why it's so easy to walk in. The heels also is a 4-inch heel, but it's a block heel, super comfortable. These heels, I'm telling you, I highly recommend. The insole also is padded, and it does have a adjustable strap, and this is so versatile. You could definitely dress it up with a dress, or you could wear it with your favorite jeans also. First up is this sweater cardigan from the brand Free Assembly, and I'm wearing a extra large, and the price is $28. This cardigan is available in 3 other colors, but I have it here in this tan color. It has a V neckline, functional buttons going all the way down the front, which I do appreciate, so you could definitely wear this cardigan open or closed. It has a textured 100% cotton material, and the sleeves are long and slightly oversized. It also has a ribbed cuff, and I love that it has 2 pockets in front. I like to tuck my phone into these pockets whenever I'm wearing a cardigan. It also has a ribbed hem, and this is a heavyweight cardigan, super long. It meets me a little bit below my butt, so I like that type of cardigan. It's such good quality. I highly recommend it. I styled it in this video with my favorite Time and True faux leather leggings, but you could definitely wear this with jeans, and it's just such a good price point. Next up is this Eloquent Elements Maxi Dress, and I'm wearing a size 18-20 and the price is $40. This is available in a black and white print, but I have it here in this multicolor floral print. It has a sweetheart neckline, which has these beautiful ruffle details going all the way around, and it's super stretchy also in the neckline, because this maxi dress is meant to be worn off the shoulder, and I love how comfortably it fits off my shoulder. It does have a smocking panel in the back, so it sits nicely in the bust area, and it has 2 functional drawstrings in front in case you want to cinch it a little bit tighter in the bust area. The sleeves on this dress is long, and it does have a bell cuff, and the material is super lightweight. It's a cotton material, perfect for the beginning of fall. The waistline also on this is very stretchy, and it has ruffle details going all the way around, and in the stomach area of this dress is very flowy. This dress is meant to be flowy, and I do like that about this dress. It does have a slit on the left area of this dress, and it's not too long, so it's perfect. I wore this with some heels, but you could definitely style this with your favorite booties or even some mules. This is just such a cute dress. I would have personally preferred this dress in the black and white print, but that was not available at my store, so I had to pick it up in this print, and I'm not too sure about it. Let me know what you guys think down below of this color. I am wearing a extra large in this ruffle dress from Time and True, and the price is $17.98. This dress is available in 2 other prints, but I have it here in this beautiful red wine botanical floral print. It has a crew neckline, long sheer sleeve, which has a elasticized cuff, and in the chest area of this dress it does have a ruffle detail going across, and that is where they messed up with this dress. So I found that when I had this dress on, it was like pulling up to my chest area, and it created a weird gathering in front. It could be that my breasts are just a little bit too big for this dress, and this is the biggest size, but I think that's just because of the weird ruffle details going straight across from the chest to the sleeve. This is a layered dress. It has a sheared polyester material in front, and it does have a slip lining underneath, which is super thick and definitely not see-through. This dress meets me a little bit above my knee, and it does have a beautiful ruffle hem detail. This could be styled with your favorite over the knee booties, which is what I styled it in this video with. You could definitely wear it also with some sneakers or some mules. Next up is this sweater from Free Assembly, and I'm wearing a extra large, and the price is $24. This sweater is also available in pink and yellow, but I have it here in cream. It has a wide V neckline which has this green varsity stripes going all the way around, and this is a drop shoulder sweater, so it's a little bit oversized in the shoulder. The sleeves on these are also long and slightly oversized, and it does have a rib cuff which has the varsity green stripes going all the way around. It's very roomy in the midsection and a little bit oversized. I definitely could have maybe sized down one size in this sweater, but I do like my sweaters to be a little bit oversized on me. This is a 100% cotton material and it's heavyweight, so this is going to be perfect for fall and also winter. It does have a rib hem, and it has the varsity stripes going all the way around also, and I styled this with my favorite faux leather leggings, but you could definitely style this with some jeans. You could even style this with skirt. I saw that they styled it with skirt on Walmart's website. This is just such a versatile sweater, and I highly recommend it. I love the sweaters from Free Assembly. They're affordable and the quality is amazing. I am wearing a extra large in this chunky pullover sweater from Free Assembly, and the price is $30. This is available in 3 other colors, but I have it here in this navy stripe print. It has a half zip feature in front at the bust area, so you could show as much cleavage as you want or not, and I absolutely love the brown accent material going throughout on this sweater. The collar is a folded collar, and I feel like that's just such a classic detail. The sleeve on this is long and slightly oversized, and it does have a cinched cuff. This material is a cotton wool material, so it's super heavyweight, and this sweater is definitely going to be perfect for fall and winter. It's a good length, not too long, and I love this sweater. It's one of my favorite sweater from the haul, and I highly recommend it. I'm definitely gonna pick this up in more colors. I did go ahead and style this with jeans in this haul, but you could definitely wear this with your favorite skirt. You could wear it with leggings, and you could dress it up or dress it down. I styled that Free Assembly chunky pullover sweater with this time and true high-rise curvy straight leg denim, and I'm wearing a size 20, and the price is $19.98. This is available in a light wash, but I have it here in the dark wash. The waistline on this is not stretchy. This denim is a 99% cotton and only 1% spandex, so it's definitely not stretchy. It has a zip closure and a button fly, and this denim is a 5-pocket style, so there's pockets in the front and pockets in the back. It has a lighter wash throughout, and of course it's a straight leg, and this is a 28-inch inseam, so it's cropped. It meets me about at my ankle, but definitely not a long denim. I love the fit of this denim. I barely made it in, guys. Maybe I needed to size up one size, but because it doesn't have any stretch, but I made it work, and I'm definitely gonna pick this up in the lighter wash. I like to style these type of pants with some mules. I do wear them with sneakers also. I absolutely love a good crop denim. I am wearing a 2XL in this Madden NYC dress, and the price is $19.50. This is available in a pink print, but I have it here in black. It has a square neckline, sheer long oversized sleeve, which has a elasticized cuff, and the bodice on this dress has a smocking panel, so it's very stretchy in the bust area. Going down, we have tiered layer going all the way down on this dress, and it has this beautiful ruffle details going around on each layer. The bottom of this dress is also lined, so definitely not see-through. You could definitely style this with your favorite over the knee boots or heels. This is the perfect date night dress for fall. Next up is this Time and True polar sweater, and I'm wearing a extra large, and the price is $19.98. This is available in 3 other colors, but I had to pick it up in beige. I love a good beige sweater for the fall time. It has a V neckline, a polo collar, which is such a classic look, and the sleeves on this sweater is more of a fitted sleeve, definitely not oversized, and the cuff has a rib material going all the way around, and it's also a fitted cuff. This does have a very chunky cable knit fabric throughout on this sweater, and it's super soft to the touch. This is also a longer sweater, definitely not cropped or boxy, which I do prefer, and the hem on this has a rib knit material going all the way around also. I like to style this type of sweater with my favorite leggings. You could wear it with jeans, or you could even wear it to work with your favorite dress pants. I styled that Time and True polo sweater with this Time and True full leather leggings, and the price is $14.96, and I'm wearing a extra large. This is also available in black, but I picked up the black version last year and it held up so well. It's one of my favorite leggings from Walmart. Now I have it in brown. It has a very broad waistband, guys. Just look at this. It's so stretchy, and whenever I wear this leggings, it really holds my stomach in, and this is why I love it so much. The material on this is shiny but not too shiny, and I love that this full leather leggings, whenever I wear it, it doesn't get sweaty. You know, when you wear leggings sometimes that are like faux leather, is it like you sweat in the leg area? No, not with these. It has a separate lining inside, which is not the faux leather material. This is a skinny leg cut, and it meets me at my ankle. I love the length on this. You could definitely wear it with some thigh-high boots. You could wear it with some heels. You could wear it with sneakers, or you could style it up with some heels. Next up is this Time and True boyfriend cardigan, and I'm wearing a extra large, and the price is $18.98. This is available in 3 other colors, but I had to pick it up in this pink and tan color. I actually have this in the winter white from last year, and it held up pretty well, so I highly recommend this cardigan also. It has a V neckline and functional buttons going down the front, so you could wear this cardigan open or closed. It also has long sleeve and a ribbed cuff, and I absolutely love the 2 patch pockets in front on this cardigan. As I said before, I like to put things in the pockets on my cardigan. It also has a ribbed hem, and I absolutely love the hem of this cardigan. You could definitely wear this with leggings, you could wear it with jeans, or you could wear it with dress pants also. You could dress it up or dress it down. Next up is this free assembly sweater, and I'm wearing a extra large, and the price is $32. This is available in 3 other colors, but I have it here in this nudish brown color. It has a crew neckline, long sleeve, which are slightly oversized, and it does have a fitted cuff, which also has a rib material going all the way around. This is a heavyweight sweater, and the material is 100% cotton, very well made. The hem of this sweater also has rib knitting going all the way around, but unfortunately this is not my favorite sweater, or a sweater that I like, because it's a little bit short, cropped and boxy on me, and I like my sweaters to be a little bit longer. I styled that free assembly sweater with these Terra and Sky Sweatpants, and the price is $12.98. This is available in 5 other colors, but I have it here in this chocolate brown color. I really love the color of these sweatpants. It's just so rich. The waistline on this is very stretchy, and it does come with a functional drawstring at the waist, which I absolutely love. You could cinch that waist in. It has 2 side pockets which are hidden, and I absolutely love that it's not sticky out. This also has a fleece lining inside, so it's super warm. Definitely going to be perfect for fall and winter. The length on this is a good length. It meets me at my ankle, and of course it's a jogger style, so it's cinched at the ankle. I did go ahead and style these pants with my favorite sneakers from Walmart. Also, I'm going to link it down below, but you could definitely wear these with some combat boots just to dress it out. Next up is this sweater from Free Assembly, and I'm wearing a extra large, and the price is $30. This sweater is available in 3 other colors, but I had to pick it up in this green and pink color. I love this combination. It has a ribbed turtleneck, which is super high, but if you're not a person who loves a higher turtleneck, you could definitely fold this over. It has long oversized sleeve, which are a bell shape, and it also has a rib material at the cuff of this sweater. It's super roomy throughout, and this is a heavyweight sweater. It's 100% cotton. I find that a lot of the sweaters from Free Assembly is 100% cotton, and that's because Free Assembly is a sustainable brand, so I do like that. It also has the rib material at the end of the sweater, and this sweater has venting at the side, which is perfect for my apple shape. I like to wear this type of sweater with my favorite leggings, or you could definitely wear it with jeans also. You could dress it up or dress it down. I'm wearing a extra large in this sweatshirt from Time and True, and the price is $17.98. This is available in 3 other colors, but I had to pick it up in this navy stripe color. It has a crew neckline, drop shoulder, and long sleeves which are fitted, and it also has a rib cuff. This is very roomy in the stomach area, and the material in this is a medium weight. It's a cotton polyester material, so perfect for fall when it's not too cold. It also has a ribbed hem, and it does have venting at the side, and it's a high-low sweater, so it's longer in the back. I like to wear these type of sweatshirts with my favorite leggings, but you could definitely wear it with jeans, or you could even style it with a dress pants. The last item I'm going to share with you guys in this haul is this Time and True quilted top, and the price is $15.98. I'm wearing a extra large, and it is available in 3 other colors, but of course I had to pick it up in my favorite mustard yellow color. It has a crew neckline, functional buttons going down the bust area, short oversized puff sleeve which are super stretchy. I love that the cuff is very stretchy, and it fits very comfortably in the arm area. The material is a quilted material, and it's super soft to the touch, not too much of a heavy weight. This is a medium weight material, so perfect for fall. I'm definitely going to pick these up in more colors for work because I like these type of tops to wear to work. It's super long. It meets me way below my belly button, so you could definitely wear this with some leggings. You could wear it with jeans, or you could wear it with some dress pants also. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below which pieces were your favorite. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in a Old Navy fall haul, or I should continue with only Walmart haul. I know that you guys love the Walmart hauls, but let me know if you want something else, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Open eyes.